So hey guys, today we're gonna be playing some more, or not really some more, but Puppet. You got that? Okay, you got that? One of my friends are gonna be joining me. They say they know how to play, and yes, I played this before. Level 27. Look at my coins. I'm really good. That doesn't mean anything. Let's wait for them. Moment of silence, please. Let's wait for them. Okay, so they're still not here. If they're not here, I should just probably get into the game. Also, there will be a 10% mark, so please ignore and just go through the video. We'll wait for them. So, what map? House. Yeah, it's a house. Castle. We didn't even get to vote. I guess it's bot then? I was gonna pick players so when they come in, I'm gonna be it. I'm gonna come after them. Hot on the tail. So it's a bot, I guess. First person. Try hard mode. Try hard. Better hurry and go upstairs. Oh no, here they come, here they come. Gotta go. Actually, I'm gonna wait for him to come up. As soon as they come up, I'm gonna jump down. Still waiting for them to join. Where the hell are they? I literally want to know where are they right now. You know what? What's up, man? Oh. Ha. Ha. Very funny. Oh. Nah, bro. Green. I'm still waiting for them to join. Goodbye. I wonder where they are. So I'm gonna go place this in. Leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Thank you. Ha. Close the door on you. You got that? You got that? You got that? You got that? Think you got that? Yeah, he got that. He got that. He got that. I'm sorry, he got that. You got that. I apologize. You got that. You don't got it now. Let's get that. Let's wait for him. Come on, come at me. Oh, you're smarter. You're smarter than I thought. You are way smarter than I thought. Gotta play you like that. Where are they at? Come here. No. Nope. There's literally nothing in there. Why? There's nothing in there. Now they give me the plank. Now they give me the plank. Really? Where was the yellow key? Gotta get that. Why aren't they coming after me? I don't know where they went. But they need to come here. Let's go, hammer. That's exactly what we need. First, I'm gonna use this. I hope they are not still up there. Of course. Did I break you? Never mind, I did not break you. No, 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 no! You are so stupid. I'm about to get broke myself. Stop. I'm over here about to die. Over here about to die. I'm really over here about to die. And goodbye. I'm really over here about to die. I hope I don't die. Trying to solo this. Where's it? So I gotta go back up there, get the hammer, and come back down here. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Use it on the door. Oh, come on. No one saw that 10% mark. Huh? Yeah, so this isn't going very well. Leave me alone, please. Nope. I'm surprised I didn't die. I'm surprised I didn't die. Time to get out of here. Chapter 1 done. First of all, oh heck no. I'm gonna just go this way. I'm not doing that today. Especially when I'm about to win this. No, why did it do that? Let's go! Got it this time. I'm gonna end the video here. Goodbye, guys. I'm sorry my friend didn't join. Let's watch this first. Yeah, you got the wrong guy. You're supposed to get Elmo. Did you not know that? ×2. So yeah, that's the video. Goodbye.